What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your self-hosted N8N in Hostinger. So I've had a lot of issues with this in the past, and I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys on YouTube and in the Skool on having some issues with self-hosting N8N. So I host through Hostinger, and I've made videos on this previously, and I will just show you a method I did when I was having issues. So a lot of the times when you're self-hosting, you will have your VPS here in Hostinger, and you'll be able to manage it and update it through a browser terminal. Now, sometimes in the browser terminal, you'll try and update something and you'll get issues. And a lot of times I use Claude or ChatGPT to give me some answers, and I ended up being rerouted or had a different port or different URL that I was using. And I ended up having to reset everything because I just wasn't sure how to get everything back. And so the way to actually get it to be able to manage the app through Hostinger again, if you couldn't figure out with any sort of code or anything, is you just reinstall the operating system. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, but first, before I show you, I want to make sure that you understand if you do this, yes, you'll be able to get it back to how you had it before with being able to access it through Hostinger. But one thing you should know is that all of your workflows will be gone. So you will have a clean slate, but your workflows will be gone. So what you want to do first is download all of your workflows before, and then you're going to re-upload them. So let's just do an example here. I've got this MCP server node that I'm working on, and I know that I'm going to reinstall my operating system. So what I'm going to do first is come and download right here at the top right, and then you see I have in my folder, I've got that JSON file. And so let's go ahead and just go through how to reinstall this. So once you have all of your workflows downloaded, save them in a folder, keep them organized, and then you will be in your VPS here. You're going to go manage, and you will go to OS and panel and operating systems. Our current operating system is Ubuntu 24.04, and we're going to keep the same operating system, but now what we're going to do is you're going to click reinstall, and that is going to reinstall your operating system Ubuntu, and then you'll be able to have a clean slate on N8N. Okay, and so then you'll be able to still access your Docker and everything like that, but what you will have is just a clean slate. So when you come into manage app, you'll be able to start making workflows that way. Okay, so with that being said, make sure you save everything and reinstall. And if you have any questions about anything, I hope it doesn't get this far and you're able to figure it out with code. But this has helped me before, and it took me hours to figure out, so I figured I would let you guys know and give you guys that information. And by the way, guys, if you are looking for a more guided approach on how to self-host N8N with Hostinger and things like that, and even get a layout of videos like this in a text format along with the video, then head on over to my Skool. We have 45 members. We are a small niche community, and we are growing, and I will just show you an example of everything you can find in here. Here you find text guides on everything, and if you learn that way better than video or along with video, then this might be the place for you. Okay, so I will see you guys inside of the Skool. And like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.